last time we're using this winch. We're gonna get stuck again here in a second. All right, so old buddy Matt called me. We just got home from church and he's like, hey, some people are stuck out to the Ponderosa. You can get to them quicker, or you want to run out and get them. So here we go, we're gonna run out. I guess they're just stuck in the snow. We'll winch them out of the snow and they'll get on their way and we'll come on home. I got Lando running the camera. Hello. I got Graders running camera, he's in the back. And then I got Jace, he's out with us today. He thinks he's gonna try flying our new drone we got. We're gonna give that a whirl. Should be a good time. We'll go get these people pulled out and get them back on their vacation. Buffalo Bob right there. This old truck needs some love, and it's about to get some. 37s, a transfer case, a new front end, a new 4-link setup in the front, and maybe even a little redesign on the bed. We got a truck coming, we gotta get out of their way. Guess we'll go play in the snow a little bit, see if we can find them.
I'm Misha.
Nice to meet you, Jean-Paul.
Nice to meet you.
Looks like you guys are a little stuck.
Yeah.
How long you been here?
Oh, since last night.
Okay.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of digging. We got stuck a couple times down there too.
I think
Yeah.
we've dug ourselves out like 5 times.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
It's a little slushy now.
Yeah. Well, we'll get you back up to where we can go. All right, so it's gonna be fairly easy, I hope. We're gonna just get the Toyota turned around and hook onto it, and we'll start tugging it out of here. Having the front washer is a bad deal today. We'll get turned around. It's going to be fun getting that van out of here. Hopefully that little oak bush will hold up. Not the last time we're using this winch. We're going to get stuck again here in a second. All right. I'll try to get turned around right here and we'll back up there to them. Just getting the runway, so we got a road up through it. What?
You didn't even have chains on.
No chains.
Wow.
And my front walker's not working, so we may get stuck before we get out of here, but we'll get out of here. Yeah, we'll get you out. Well, one way or another. If you want to jump in and drive, put it in drive, turn your wheels this way, keep turning. Okay, they're straight right there. Okay. And just follow me, because once we start going, we're going to go till we get up to where it's frozen good again. Right. So, and we may have to go and back up and bump you again a few times. Yeah. So this rope, this is a kinetic rope, so it's not going to jar you real hard. I'm going to hit the end of it hard, but it's going to stretch and then just pull you. So.
Is there a chance you could go all the way to the pavement?
Yep. I won't lose you. I'll make sure we get out of there. So we'll get after it, see if we can go. side.
If you can get to the other side.
No, we're gonna have to do a little shoveling to get to this side. I want to hook on this side so that it pulls your rig this way.
Oh, okay, so you're just shoveling to the axle.
Yeah, I'm just shoveling down to hook to that.
So this road is pretty notorious for getting stuck, huh?
It is. This clay that's out here is worse than the snow.
We talked to these canyoneering folks who are like, oh, you'll have no problem on that road.
Yeah, this is there's some other good canyoneering stuff we can tell you about you can go get to. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yep.
We love being canyoning.
My brother-in-law runs Easy E-Sign Experiences, and that's what they do.
Wow.
Is
Oh,
canyoneering.
You need to turn your wheels straight. You gotta run, don't slip. Need ice shoes. This ice is slick. I'm tired.
Just follow us.
Okay.
We'll make sure you get clear out to the pavement.
Okay, cool.
It was actually pretty good. We didn't even put it in four-wheel drive till here, so it's still pretty frozen.
It is.
There's
okay.
a couple of mud sections, but four-wheel drive, I think you'll get through them pretty good.
Okay.
So we'll just make sure you get there.
Thank you, sir.
You're no problem.
This stuff is, it's like water. Whoops, I fell. Yes,
What?
it's like the ice age over here. Trying to catch up. Now it's pure ice. We got the drone kid.
All right, so we got them out, and we're just creeping along in front of them, making sure we're gonna get back to the pavement. And the old Yoda did good. Match recovery rope, pretty awesome. You ought to get you one. Things are pretty sweet. That van weighs twice as much as this thing does, and we pulled them out with it. So, pretty awesome ropes. So I don't know if any of you realize it or not, but that's a four-wheel drive Chevy van. I was thinking, how in the world did a two-wheel drive van get all the way down in there? But it's a four-wheel drive one. I'm glad, because I don't know if I'd have drug a two-wheel drive out of there. We needed some more tugging. Looks like we're got them. We're almost back to the pavement now, and we'll send them on their way. So, well, you made it.
That was amazing, man.
Yep.
You guys are good. Thank you so much.
Well, no problem. Hope you guys have a better night tonight
Yeah.
than you did last
It
night.
wasn't so
Man.
bad. It was
Yeah.
crazy in the snow.
We got a ton of snow and it was really wet, so then it settled down and froze, and it's just ice underneath of it.
Right.
No traction. That's why I made that little road first, so
Yeah.
I was hoping to get you guys' van into that, and then I thought we could go. So
Yeah. Thank you so much again.
you're very
Yeah.
welcome. We'll see you guys. All right, so got them out. They're cool people. They're just down doing a little exploring in our beautiful country, and got herself in a bad way, but happens all the time. I got myself stuck right out there while I was getting them unstuck, so it happens all the time, and we're just there to help people out, so glad we could do it. So the old KM3s, BFGs, they're pretty hard to beat, man. They just seem to work everywhere I take them. Sand, snow, mud, they hook up and go. So this Toyota has the front locker, well, it's not broke. The air compressor's dead, so I can't engage the front locker. So everything that we just done, the rear locker worked, front locker doesn't. So we were three-wheeling it most of the time. So these tires are awesome. They do everything I ask of them, so can't be happier. We'll go home and kick back on our Sunday afternoon, relax a little bit. So thanks for watching.